time now.
Oh, recording now. Should I do an accent? Why not, right? Okay. Alright, that's DNA. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, we are going to be making this delicious concoction that consists of a couple elements that I have put together to bring a very, very exotic yet deadly drink. And it's been scientifically proven that if you take 4 of these, you're gonna be dead. Alrighty students, so we are going to be need 1.5 ounces of watermelon flavored vodka. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and use 1/2 ounce of Chambord, which if you have been paying attention in my previous videos, it is raspberry liqueur. So 1/2 ounce of this. 1 whole ounce of raspberry lemonade. Just a little smidge of simple syrup. And blood. Just kidding, grenadine. Just a little smidge of grenadine as well, students. And when I say a smidge, I truly mean 1/4 ounce, maybe a little less, okay? Let's shake. We are going to wet our rim because we are going to be rimming this with some crystals from the what's it called, baby? Himalayans? Himalayans? The mother. Y'all get it, right? All right. We are going to strain into our glass. And the final touch, we are going to be making it smoky for you guys. This is really professional stuff, let me tell you. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. We're gonna be calling this one the love potion. You can call me the love doctor. Ooh. Don't hurt me now. Oh, that's delicious, baby. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, my dear students. I hope you guys paid close attention so you can remember how to make this delicious concoction and impress all your friends. Give me a big thumbs up if you found this video entertaining and you found it educational. And subscribe so you can join this party. Mwah! Bye! It's science. Ellos viven criticando, yo vivo en un laboratorio. Which one's this one, Lilibeth? Which element is this?
I don't know, teacher.
Fail you. Well,